Hello friends, welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. This is Virtual Tester. I'm Pawan. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about a new Android virtual system called Huluxia. So here you can see I have already installed that virtual system on my device, and I'm going to teach you the process of installing and setting up of this Android virtual system for your device. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and turn on notification at. Let's get start our video and see how we can do this. Okay guys, firstly you need to download the application from the given link in the description of this video. After that you can run this application and complete this small startup process of the application. So you need to click here, click on allow, and let's wait until completing of the installation process. Okay friends, here you can see I have successfully installed this virtual system on my mobile. You can see here how awesome of this virtual system, and it came as a Android 5.0 system. So this is our Android version, is Android 5.1. Because of that we can't enable those features. So this feature also came as we can't do that. We can't also enable the Exposet framework on here without purchasing the pro version of this application, but you can enable root access of this virtual system, and also you can enable the access to Google Play Store. Just click and wait until the completing of this downloading process, then you can gain the access to Play Store and other Play services. But here you can see there is another option also that may useful to you, that's called 64-bit app version. So you can enable 64-bit apps from opening this option. After enabling this feature, your virtual system will be restarted, and then you can install any of 64-bit applications on this virtual system. Okay guys, let's try to use Google Play services and play login options of this virtual system. Now I'm going to sign in with Google. Okay guys, that's how we can play Android games on inside of this Huluxia virtual system. Let's try to see whether we have successfully installed root access or not on this virtual system from checking the root access with root checker application. You can see we have successfully installed root access on this virtual system. So with this I'm going to wind up this video. Thank you all for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me.